Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. Today we're gonna do a clean with me and kind of like an undecorate with me for Christmas. I'm gonna try to get everything tidied up and put away so that I'm all set. I've been really slacking on my cleaning and my organizing since having the C-section. I've kind of had to lay low, so I'm excited to get back into it and start cleaning and getting my house back in order. And I just feel like I'm more productive and I'm in a better mood when my house is all clean and tidy. So I hope this gives you guys the motivation to maybe undecorate for Christmas, put things away. I have a bunch of toys and clothes that my kids got for Christmas that I need to get in order. So let's get started. I cannot believe this holiday season is already over. It went by so quickly, but I just want to get all my decorations packed up and put away so that I can start the new year off fresh. And I prefer to use clear bins so that I can see exactly what's in the bin and then I can label them and then everything is tucked away neatly. And I have to take a little baby break here. But yeah, so just storing everything in clear bins makes it so much easier. That way, when you put it away in your attic or wherever you keep your decorations, you can see exactly what you have. And since having kids, I've had to kind of stay away from the glass ornaments. If I do have any glass ones, only a few, but I always put them towards the back of the tree so that they can't be knocked or fallen because we have broken quite a few this season. I just use like standard moving wrapping paper just to kind of wrap up all of my decorations, anything that's like fragile, and just works out really nicely. So now that I have all the decorations packed up, I'm gonna get everything ready to go up in the attic. And a few years ago, we did buy this artificial tree and it is, I think, 9 feet. It's just so much easier than having to go out each year and buy a new tree. And it came pre-lit, so that's awesome too. And last year I picked up this storage bag. It is awesome. I'll link to it down below. But yeah, it comes on wheels, so it's super easy to kind of move around. We're gonna put it out in the shed to store it. And I also picked one up for my wreaths. I can fit 2 good size wreaths in these bags, and I will also link this one down below too. Now that I have most of the Christmas stuff all put away, I'm just gonna move on to tidying up the rest of the house. I'm gonna do some cleaning, some vacuuming, some steam mopping. I'll show you guys my new steam mop. It is awesome. And I use a large storage bin when I'm cleaning. It's just easier to take items that don't belong and then just put them in the bin, and then I can kind of move the bin around as I'm cleaning downstairs and then take the bin and carry it upstairs and put the remaining of the items away. It's been several years since I've had to wash bottles, and it is just crazy how this takes me back to when my daughter was born, and it's just non-stop bottle washing. But I do love this little sanitizer. I just kind of pre-rinse the bottles, put them in the sanitizer, pop it in the microwave for a few minutes, and then it's good to go. And aside from the holidays, I also love this time of year because there's so many great deals. I like to stock up on her clothes in the next size up so that I get everything for like half off. I like Old Navy, Gap, Nordstrom Rack has some awesome deals this time of year. And I just order right online. So then I have everything in the next size up and it's all set. So the last room I'm going to be tackling today is my son's room, and he just got a bunch of really cute clothes for Christmas because he'll be actually 6 weeks old in a few days. But yeah, I got a ton of new clothes for him, so I'm just kind of going through everything, putting away in his closet, and then I finally got the storage cubes for his little organizer, so I'm just kind of tidying that up, and that is it.